Start.
Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the paper airplane in my paper airplane bag. To start off, I am going to close my eyes and pick a paper airplane from the bag.
Okay, so he has that yellow bag full of paper airplane. All of them look different.
And this is one of my paper airplanes that I made. Let's see how this one flies.
Okay.
Doesn't fly that well.
I didn't do well. Where is it? Okay, there.
It's right here.
Okay, the next one.
So I got this one right here.
Oh, that wasn't bad.
And the bag is this on the ground. Now we have a dart paper. Oh, that's way better.
Yeah. Some of them are really good inside the house, but not outside the
And
house.
I am actually. And I picked this one next. And this, let's see, how this one flies.
Oh, that didn't. Okay,
It's
try
kinda like a boomerang.
Try again. Try again. Oh, I don't think you need to run. You just have to throw them over.
Yeah. This is not even a paper airplane, guys. But I'm gonna see how it flies. I don't know how it got in.
Ah.
Kind of good. No, it's a paper airplane, guys. Yeah, but it's kind of good. I don't even know how it got in. Someone put it in my bag. I don't know who put it in my bag, but someone did. And this look at that one. Is one of my paper airplanes that I made. And
Didn't do well either.
that's and then now this is my most favorite. One of my most favorite in the bag. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that did a good job.
There's this one. It's one of my best friends. Let's see how it flies. Okay, I threw it fast like it was a dart. Now I'm gonna throw it slow. He has still one more paper.
Oh yeah, that did a good job.
When I threw it slower, it went flying there. What is this? This is one of my planes. It's not that good. Trust me, it's not. And I'm going to see how it goes.
It's a broken flight, right?
No, it's not that good. Why you just made it even better?
Oh. That didn't even do anything.
Oh, this? It's one of my minis. My paper airplane minis. Let's see how this one flies. That flies quite well. It doesn't fly that far. Also a very good one. I'm not that sure.
Oh, that did a good job.
Okay, there's a million birds. And this, I'm not sure how well it will do, but I think it's fine. I don't remember the last time it flew. There, it's fine. Almost as good as my gliders. And there's this one. It's not that good as well. And I forgot, completely forgot. I have to close my eyes. Okay. This next one, I'm going to close my eyes and just and here. Oh, I don't remember this one, but I'm going to throw it. The next,
Oh, did you forget to close your eyes?
I'll put this back here. You didn't close your eyes in so much, dude. Oh, and look, one of my favorites. Let's see how it flies. Whoa, super cool. Oh, I'm gonna fly it. Thank you. And now we got a paper airplane called Arrowhead. Foldable Flight made this, and I just followed it. If you guys know Foldable Flight, in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that did a good job.
Okay, this is the worst one. I think this one's probably the worst one yet.
No, that wasn't bad actually.
Oh, look. Oh, this is also one of my favorite ones. I haven't played this one. I just want to like a week. Oh, it's pretty smooth. Guys, I'm gonna keep playing with this one. And this is also a pretty bad one. Oh, now
Okay,
smoothly on it.
that didn't do well.
And I got this one. Oh, this looks all torn up because it rained. And now we'll see how it flies. It flies pretty well. Oh, that was so cool. That was so cool. It came back. Do you see that, guys?
Huh?
It was like a boomerang. Oh, and this is also one of my favorites. I made this one myself.
Oh, where did that go?
I just did
Wow,
threw it over the
that did a good job when Ephraim threw them away.
I'm gonna throw it like a glider, so it's gonna
Okay.
be. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it went good.
This one is fun. Now we got another one, which is pretty bad. Now.
It's so shiny, so that's why it's so hard to see.
That's all the paper airplanes in my paper airplane bag. There will be more paper airplanes that will be in my paper airplane bag. Which paper airplane did you guys like the most? My bag. I think you guys like the most also tell us if you want to see another video of my paper airplane bag. Yeah.
Okay, bye.